guys, Claudia here, and as you all know, I suck at computers. I got my laptop and my hard drive, and it's a mess. I'm talking photos everywhere, unlabeled, duplicates, it's impossible. So I just got this product in the mail. It's called the PhotoStick, and it's supposed to plug into your computer and find all the pictures and videos and upload them onto this. It's supposed to have this software that automatically downloads everything onto this USB, and it stays on there forever, so it won't die like one of those hard drives. And I mean, I'm not really sure. We're gonna see if it works out. I'm ready to try it. Alright, I got my PhotoStick and I'm ready to try this out. So we're gonna plug it in right here. And now the directions said all I have to do is click go. So we're just gonna click go, and oh my god, I'm not doing anything. Look, I thought I was gonna have to search around all these places. No, I'm not touching anything. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Alright, it's already done. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. 2,137 pictures. Do you see this? And then 280 duplicates found. Oh my god. Alright, now let's see what it's found. Oh my god, this is my nephew. Ugh. I've been looking everywhere for this picture. My mom's gonna be so happy. Alright, well, the PhotoStick works. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I did not think that this little USB looking thing was going to save all my pictures, but it definitely did, and I can honestly say the PhotoStick is nothing like your normal USB drive. Now my photos are saved on here forever and they're safe, so I'm a believer now, so thank goodness for the PhotoStick. And for that, guys, have a good one.